Has it been a while since you've been able to exercise because either you're recuperating from an illness or you have a chronic condition? If so, these exercises could be perfect for you. We're going to do active range of motion of the shoulders. It doesn't take any equipment at all. We're going to do them sitting in a sturdy chair. Hi, I'm Kathy. I'm a physical therapist. And before you start these or any other exercises, if you've been ill, just check with your healthcare provider before you start anything new. So, like I said, we don't need any special equipment. I'm going to use a chair without any arms today. If you're feeling a little unsteady in the chair, that's okay. You might want to take an extra day or two to recuperate before you start new exercises, or perhaps you might want to use a chair with some arms just to help make sure that you stay safe. In any case, I'm going to go through these with you. We're going to do between 5 and 10 of each exercise, and we're just focusing on the arms today. So the first one we're going to do is just a little bit of a reverse shoulder roll. So I'm thinking of making circles as I'm going back. And I don't know if it's going to pick up on the mic, but I've got some creaky shoulders, so you might be able to hear that as I go. Alrighty. I like to go into reverse with those because I feel like it opens up the chest, and that's exactly what we want. The next exercise is going to be Scaption. For these, we're just bringing our arms up at about a 45-degree angle, so they're not forward and they're not completely out to the side, but they're somewhere right in the middle. And for these, I just want to keep my thumbs up, and I want to keep it at about 90 degrees to my body, maybe a little bit higher, that's okay. And we're going to do 10 of these. So let's go together. When you're doing these, feel free to rest at any time. If you haven't been exercising in a few weeks, or if it's been a while since you've been able to move, you might get tired before you get to the 10 repetitions. That's okay. Just stop, take a drink of water, and see if you can continue. If you're not feeling well, just rest and try again at a different time. So we're just going to start with 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alrighty, I hope you're feeling good after that one. The next one we're going to do is just pushing forward. Now, if you want to, you can sit back in the chair. I'm a little on the shorter side, so in order for my feet to touch the ground in this chair, I have to be forward, and I feel like that puts me in a little bit better posture. So we just want to keep our posture with these. We want to keep our ears in line with the shoulders as well as we can. And for the next ones, we're just going to press forward. So I'm just pushing forward and back. There's number 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Now the next ones, we're just going to push up overhead, and we're going to go 10 times. Like I said before, if you get any fatigue with these, or if you're feeling like you're short of breath, just take a little break. Alrighty, so I've got my hands right about here. I've got my palms facing forward, and I'm just going to lift up overhead as high as I can without feeling a strain. So there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Alrighty. If you're feeling a little tension in the shoulders, you can just do a few reverse shoulder rolls. Those are great for that. The next one we're going to do They're like making X's. So I'm going to start with my hands in front of me with my palms together, and I'm slightly angled down, as you can see. And I'm just going to lift my arms as if I'm making half of an X, come back to the middle, and go the other way. That's one. There's two. There's three. There's four. And five. The next exercise we're going to do is just pushing back. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine, and 10. And that works the triceps just a little bit. Well, that was the last exercise for today. I hope these feel good. I'd want you to do these once or twice a day, just 10 repetitions of each, and hopefully you'll be back on your feet in no time. If you found these exercises valuable, please subscribe to my channel, and perhaps you might want to check out this video here.